Hi friends, this is Nagesha. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to create multiple folders and subfolders at once using Excel sheet and batch file in Windows 7. Come to Start, open Excel. In the first column, please type MD for creating the folders. In the second column, type the folder name. In this, I want to create a subfolder. So come to third column and please type // and subfolder name worksheet. Drag each column to the number of folders you want to create. Here I want to create 20 folders. Now copy the data from each column and after that open Notepad and paste it here. To create a subfolder, we need to remove the space between folder name and subfolder name. Copy that and come to edit. Please open replace and paste it here. To remove the spaces, replace with // and click on replace all. Now close this and at the end I will type pass command. After this, come to file and please select save as. Open computer. In the D drive I want to create a folder. And I'm selecting this as destination folder for the bat file. Enter the name for your bat. Save. Now come to the destination folder and here we will get the bat file and please run this bat file. Just now it is created 20 folders and open each folder. In that we have subfolder worksheet. Like this, we can create multiple folders and subfolders at once using Excel sheet and batch file in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.